In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Pocket AI trading app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So currently I'm on Android, and to uninstall your app, you need to swipe it up where you can access all your apps. And here you can just long press on your app and you should see an option to uninstall it. However, if this option is not available on your smartphone, then you need to do it from Google Play Store. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Play Store here and then just search for Pocket AI, just like that, and run the app. And as you can see, here it is. If I tap on it, it is already installed on my smartphone, and we have an option to uninstall. So proceed and tap on uninstall, and this will remove all the files for Pocket AI trading app from your smartphone together with the app. Now, if I go back to my apps, now look at that, the app has been removed permanently. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Pocket AI trading app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.